Fastest internet in the world, China's National Broadband Network. In 2023, China launched a national broadband network that is capable of transmitting data at speeds of up to 1.2 terabits per second. This network is the fastest in the world, and it is expected to have a significant impact on the development of technology and innovation in China. The network is made up of fiber-optic cables that stretch for 3,000 kilometers from Beijing to Guangzhou. The cables are just 10 micrometers in diameter, which is smaller than the diameter of a human hair. The network uses a new technology called nanophotonics, which allows for the transmission of data at very high speeds. The network has a number of potential benefits, including improved virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. The network's high speeds will allow for more seamless and realistic virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. Enhanced artificial intelligence performance. The network's high speeds will allow for faster processing of data, which will improve the performance of artificial intelligence applications. More efficient distance learning. The network's high speeds will allow for more seamless and effective distance learning. The launch of China's national broadband network is a significant milestone in the development of telecommunications technology. The network is expected to have a major impact on the way people live and work in China, and it could also have a global impact by setting a new standard for high-speed internet. Here are some additional details that could be included in the article. The network is still in its experimental phase, but it is expected to be rolled out to the public in the coming years. The network is being built by Huawei, a Chinese telecommunications company. China is investing heavily in the development of its digital infrastructure, and the national broadband network is a key part of this effort.